Hey, well, my mom has the dreaded PO300 code. I ran a misfire between 1 and 3. I'm going through all possible scenarios. I believe it's vacuum leaks, you can hear it. But while I had the top intake manifold off, which is plastic by the way, I decided to show you the top part of the head. These Vtecs are not true Vtecs whatsoever. If it was a true Vtec, you'd see it had a third rocker arm in the middle. The way this Vtec works is the intake will have one valve working while you're cruising, and then when you floor it, it makes two valves work. Like a normal engine, two valves work. So there's basically no power gain in this Vtec, just more fuel economy. You know, some cars are not just Fits, there's other cars like this. This is an L15A1 though. I was mainly just doing this to check the valve clearance because it had a little bit of a tap, but it's really not that big. Plus I don't have my clearance gauges here. So there's that. You can see down the, well, no you can't, but it's where the spits up oil into the intake tubes. So I'll let you know the prognosis later.